This is the Xiaomi Pad 6 in 2024. It has been around a year since the release of Xiaomi Pad 6. I wanted to see how good a tablet at this price range really can be. I was able to get this tablet at less than $300. This is the version with the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The processor in this tablet is the Snapdragon 870, which is a flagship chip, but from a couple of years ago. But in mid-2024, I still feel like it's more than enough. You get really good performance for the price. You can literally play all the new games on it. And while yes, the newer processors and chips will be much stronger and you'll be able to play the games at higher frame rates or resolution, you can still deliver really good performance for everyday tasks, creativity, productivity, and gaming. Couple that with a nice 11-inch display, which can actually go up to 144 Hz, meaning that you can really take advantage of it while gaming, but also in everyday tasks. Everything seems to be very fluid, everything seems to be very smooth. So it's a good combination to make this tablet look and feel very fast and smooth. In terms of build quality, I have to say it really feels premium. It doesn't feel like a cheaper tablet. It actually seems very close to something like the iPad Pro, which in my opinion is crazy to have a tablet that is just a fraction of the price but still be so good in terms of build quality, but also its features, other accessories, and overall performance. And as you can see, it has a really nice body, really premium, with a nice camera bump. It looks premium, and if you have Xiaomi 13 phones, then that really matches the phone. You also have the 3-pin connector if you want to have the keyboard case and you want to use this with a keyboard. And talking about accessories, one thing that I really recommend you get when you get a tablet is a pen. In my opinion, it is a game changer for taking notes, and even preparing a video like this is such a nice experience. And because it's a magnetic pen, as you can see, that is how you charge the pen. It connects automatically, magnetically to the side, and all you have to do is take it off and take it on again. Now it's being charged, so it's really easy to have it with you at all times. And I have to say, the performance of this pen on the tablet is really good. There is some input delay on some third-party software, but if you're using the Xiaomi apps, it's really perfect. And having used this with Apple Pro and the Apple Pencil Pro, I have to say it really is so close to it. For note-taking and productivity, I feel like this combo is like 1/7 of the price and 6/7 of the experience, and pretty much 80% of the experience. Literally, at this price, you cannot go wrong with this tablet. It really feels premium in every single way. The screen is an LCD panel, but it's very nice and it has plenty of colors. But it does not get as bright as something like an iPad Pro, but we have to keep in mind how cheap this is compared to something like an iPad Pro. And it's still bright enough to use even outside. And because I don't really play games on it, I don't really edit videos on that, I have a computer for that. For me, this is more for productivity, so maybe like having notes, or I'd make notes, example, for video, or maybe for what to do in a day. Maybe you're scrolling on social media or, reading the news. This is more than enough for that. This is literally like a premium tablet at a fraction of the cost of a really premium tablet. And yes, there are going to be shortcomings when you want to play at highest settings or you want to edit videos, but you can still do this here. There's actually 4 speakers on this unit. So we have 2 on the right, 2 on the left, meaning that we have like this surround system. For this price, they're amazing. And on the side, you can actually see there's Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for sound. So I can tell you right now that this has really nice screen, really nice speakers. So for daily usage and like productivity, this is amazing. Overall, for this price, you cannot go wrong with the Xiaomi Pad 6 in 2024. It still holds up so nicely, and even better because you can get a better deal at a better price than before. It's definitely one of the best, if not the best, budget tablets you can get on the market. And being that it's 2024, I'm sure that the next iteration of this is on the way. But for now, I have to say the Xiaomi Pad 6 is still worth the money. With that being said, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time.